Can tarot cards predict the stock market better than traditional technical analysis? It sounds crazy, right? But with a growing number of people, like the popular account Nifitarupples, using tarot for trading guidance, I had to find out for myself. It's wild to think about, but a surprising number of adult Americans are open to things like tarot and astrology. So, are they onto something, or is it all just a coincidence? I decided to put it to the ultimate test. For 1 month, I ran a wild experiment. I created 2 separate trading accounts, each funded with the exact same amount of money. One account would be traded using only traditional technical analysis. I'm talking charts, indicators, support and resistance levels, the whole 9 yards. The other account, its fate was left entirely to the cards. Every morning, I'd pull a tarot spread to decide whether to buy, sell, or hold. A simple 3-card pull for the day's energy, past, present, and future. The Tower card, maybe a sign to sell everything. The Ace of Pentacles, a clear signal to buy. I set strict rules to avoid any personal bias. The cards made the call, and I just executed the trade. Let's start with the technical analysis account. It was a pretty typical month in the market. There were some ups, some downs, a few wins, and a few losses. I followed my strategy, analyzing charts for hours each day. I looked for classic patterns, used moving averages, and watched the RSI like a hawk. It was a grind, a very calculated and logical process. After all the trades, I managed to eke out a small profit. Nothing life-changing, but definitely in the green. It felt like a win for logic and reason. This is what most traders do, and the results were, well, predictable. Now, for the tarot account, this is where things get weird. The first week was surprisingly good. I pulled cards like the Sun and the World, both overwhelmingly positive, and the portfolio shot up. I'll admit, it felt like beginner's luck. There was one day I pulled the 3 of Swords, a card of heartbreak and loss. I was so tempted to ignore it, but I stuck to the rules and sold a position. The very next day, that stock took a nosedive. I dodged a bullet thanks to a piece of cardboard with a picture on it. It was unnerving. Of course, it wasn't all perfect. I got the Hanged Man card one day, which I interpreted as a sign to hold and do nothing. That day, the market rallied and I missed out on some potential gains, so it wasn't a flawless system. So, after 1 full month of trading, what was the final result? Here's the scary part. The technical analysis account, the one based on logic and data, ended the month up by about 3%, a respectable, if modest, gain. The tarot card account, the one based on pure intuition and card pulls, ended the month up by 7%. More than double the profit of the technical analysis account. I was genuinely shocked. I checked the numbers over and over again. How could this be possible? Is it just a massive coincidence? A one-off fluke? Or is there something to be said for tapping into intuition, even in a world as data-driven as finance? My conclusion: this experiment was mind-blowing, but I'm not about to throw away all my trading books and rely solely on tarot. A single month is not a large enough sample size to prove anything definitively. The market conditions during that specific month could have just randomly favored the tarot pulls. However, it did make me think, maybe the best approach isn't one versus the other. Perhaps the real power lies in combining the two, using technical analysis to identify potential opportunities, and then using tarot or your own intuition as a final check, a gut feeling confirmation. It's an unconventional idea, but after this experiment, I'm a lot more open-minded. What do you guys think? Am I crazy, or is there something to this? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy experiments.